Hello. I thought I'd come out and give you guys a little update on the garden. So far, the carrots have not started sprouting yet, which I kind of figured that it was going to be a while for them. But the corn has taken off. Everyone has germinated, as well as my blue leg beans. They're coming in pretty good in the back. And over here, the blue leg beans are coming up as well. And I did stick a cucumber on both sides to see how long it's going to take them to sprout. Normally it don't take them too long. I got to fix that zinnia. And I have a regular, I think this is a regular bean. This is just a regular garden bean. Two of them have sprouted so far. I think I did like 4 or 5 of them going across the back of this one here. And over here, I did some Marvel peas and some Sumpter cucumbers, which just cucumbers I just did, so I don't expect them to come up like ASAP, but hopefully within the next 3 or 4 days they'll come up. And just want to see how they're gonna go. They should do pretty good. Like I said, we still have a lot of growing time for them. And yeah, everything else is looking pretty much the same. Tomatoes are still doing their thing. I gotta come out here and harvest. I will be doing it when they get a little later. My banana peppers are doing fine. I haven't checked to see. Yeah, my jalapenos are doing fine back there. I have a few okras I can pull off today. And yeah, some flowering back there. So over this weekend, that's what I'm gonna be doing 4th of July weekend. What are you guys gonna be doing? I hope you guys are gonna be safe. Hopefully not drinking and driving and still social distancing. So yeah, it's hot. It's 100 and something degrees here. So I'm in and out taking breaks. But I am I'll be working on projects pretty much this weekend. I did get, let me see if I can turn the camera around. I did get that box closed up, my sunflower box. So, and you see the trash can right there. So I'm about to cut the rest of that fabric, landscaping fabric. My husband was ready to move the trash can, and I'm like, dude, please leave it alone. He's OCD, and it's like, hey, I will move it back after I'm finished with it. It's not trash day. But of course, he just hates to see things out of place. And anyway, I'm standing on my porch enjoying a little of this, you see how I said it, air. Right now, don't feel so bad. I mean, it's good to be able to step out on the porch. As you can see or hear, it's pretty quiet where I'm at. So I really love being where I'm at. But I just wanted to know, what are you guys going to be doing for the 4th? What plans have you made? Are you going to be barbecuing? Are you going to just hang out with family? Or are you going to be working in the garden? Me? You know what I'm going to do. I will be working on a project in the garden. So I'm in Home Depot. Look at me sweating. It is hot in here. This mask is nothing nice. I'm waiting to get some wood cut. So, see what I got. Okay, I'm out of that store. It's hot. The car is loaded. And I'm going home. And I can tell you, look, it's hot in this mess. So I probably won't get anything done today after I unload this car. But I have my toys for tomorrow. So guys, that means another project. Woo! Let me get this car started and this air on. We'll be starting maybe tomorrow. I don't know. It's still early. Woo, Jesus. But okay. See you at home. Okay guys, I hope you can see what I'm doing. I'm starting to make my special project. So I didn't show you when I first started doing the other side. It's the same thing. I had to charge my phone up, so forgive me. So now I'm just lining my boards up, and I'll let you know what it is. If I can get it lined up. It better not fail me. Oh gosh. Maybe if I get this side on, I can get the other side on like I need it. Hold on. It's not easy. Might have the board crooked on the other end. Oh shoot. So I might have to, I don't feel like doing it over again. But I might have to. So I start on this one. Right now I'm building my box, my frame. So, if I want this right, I better do it right. So I gotta move this. Flip it over. That's the only thing I hate. Sometimes. There you go. I'm gonna take you all the way out. You are not gonna give me the blues. So, if you don't get it right, you'll have a lopsided table or legs or whatever. So before you get too far, I don't think that's gonna go in like that. I'm gonna have holes all over this thing. Okay, let's see if I got it straight. Okay, turn it back over. Whew. Yep, better. Sorry, putting my head all in the camera. Let's see. Okay, be back. Okay guys, next, let me show you. I got a frame built. And I have it sitting on some boards for support. Woo. So I have some 2x3s. They're cut at 2 feet apart, and they're gonna go in between that frame. So I'm gonna do 1 or 2 for you, lift it up, show it to you, and then I'm gonna finish the project. Well, that part of it. You want to try to get them spaced evenly as possible. I didn't make a spacer, which I probably should have. It's making me want to do that. And you got to do this on both sides. So I'm going to do this side first. Then I'm going to turn around and do the other side. I'm not going to flip, flop, flip, flop. Worst case scenario, I'm gonna have to go and buy some more 2x3s. So woo! Drenched, drenched. Okay, so this is how it looks so far, and I'm sweating so bad, I'll explain to you when I get to the next step. Okay, this is my finished frame of what I'm doing. I have one board I gotta correct, and that's this third one. I will adjust that at the end because it's nothing to be in its way. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the next step, which I got these boards laid on the ground, some 4x4s and some 2x4s. So I'm gonna screw the 2x4s evenly across. I'm gonna do that twice. I have a set right there and another board, and then I'll show you what it looks like. So I hope you can see that I have both of these here done. So now the challenge is going to be standing them up, and I'm going to screw that on top, so it's like a table. So let me try to get that part done, and I'll get back with you. So when you're doing it by yourself, you have to improvise on how you're gonna build it. So instead of standing it up, I had to rethink that. It's already laying down. It's easier for me to screw it in one side like that. So see you soon. So guys, I don't know if you're able to see, but I'm building me a potting station. I just gotta put 3 more screws at the bottom, and then I gotta adjust definitely that third one to the left, my left, where that big hole at, the third one from there. And then I'm probably gonna get me some more to put in between those, kind of just close the spaces up a little tighter. And then where that opening is at, I'm gonna fit a tote in there for like a wash station. Thanks for watching.